Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Yeah, it's just a quick update. The market hasn't really moved much higher since yesterday's video. I think just a little bit. We seem to have started some kind of a consolidation. I just wanted to update you with the latest support area because this support zone is still relevant for a fourth wave. I will not rule out that we've already formed 5 waves. This is possible. But then, you know, we can explore whether a wave 2 is unfolding. But for now, the immediate support area has been adjusted based on the latest high to $29.54 to $30.35. Any break below $29.54 would indicate that either white wave B has topped. I explained that yesterday. The problem that we're dealing with here based on this structure could easily be an A, B, C structure. So one more high is also still possible because the 100% extension is a key target for a C wave. So while this is possible as a 1-2 setup, it can also just be an A, B, C because the A wave has the same length as the C wave. Yes, the C wave could still stretch a little higher, and actually I'm watching still for one more high, even in yellow wave 1, okay? So it could be a bullish 1-2 setup, but then one more high could happen before. I'm first going to watch for that, just because visually it would look best with one more high. It would count best with one more high. But the problem when that one more high forms means, or the problem is that it then has the same length as the initial rally. So that gives it that characteristic 3-wave ABC look. Yeah. And nevertheless, you know, if we break below the upper support, that means some kind of a top is in place. What we can do then is we can watch whether the C wave down is unfolding, or, and that might be worth exploring, maybe it's already a wave 2. I mean, my interpretation can always be wrong. You know, maybe we already have a 5-wave move up. It just doesn't look like that at the moment. But in this case, if a wave 2 is already unfolding, $28.35 would be support. So we can keep it very simple. Immediate support, or micro support, is at $29.54. Below that level, I have to assume a top of sorts is in place. And then we have one key level, which is $28.35, which distinguishes the yellow, more bullish scenario from a still bullish but short-term bearish scenario in which a white C wave might go down a little bit lower before recovering. Yeah? Bear in mind that this week the Fed interest rate decision is coming up. That's in, not even 2 days. At the moment, the market seems to be pricing in, or has already priced in, the expectation for at least a 25 basis point decrease. Could also be 50 basis points. That's what it's about at the moment, the discussion, and, you know, market is pricing that in. So we might not see major movements until that decision is there. I'm not really a fan of, you know, saying, okay, this happens and then the price should do the other thing. You know, like X happens, the price is doing Y. You can't do that. But what I can tell you is that there should be quite a lot of volatility, and it's quite an important decision that's coming up this week. So the market participants are probably just simply waiting for that decision now. So that's the update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out the stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.